Rio the parrot, perched on a fence near Dodong's farmhouse. Squawk, Dodong, squawk. Dodong, looking over, surprised. Well, hello there, Rio. What brings you to my farmhouse today? Squawk. Rio wants to learn, Dodong. Squawk. Teach Rio letter N in your farmhouse, Dodong? Dodong, smiling. That sounds like a great idea, Rio. But what's got you so interested in learning the letter N today? Squawk. Rio wants to sing nursery rhymes with you and Kibble and friends. Squawk. N for Nightingale, N for Noble Horses. Dodong, enthusiastic. That sounds like a fantastic plan, Rio. Let's head inside the farmhouse, and I'll teach you the letter N. I'll also invite Kibble, my short-tailed friend, to join us. Rio and Dodong head inside the cozy farmhouse, where they find a group of children playing. Dodong, calling out, "Hey, everyone! Rio wants to learn the letter N and sing N for Nightingale, N for Noble Horses with us in the farmhouse." Children, excited. Yay! Let's do it! They all gather around, and Dodong starts teaching Rio the letter N. Laughter fills the farmhouse as they practice together. Squawk. N for Nightingale, N for Noble Horses. Children, clapping. Great job, Rio! Let's sing the nursery rhyme together. I'll also invite my friend Kibble to sing with us together. Ready?
Is an enchanting journey where letters and creatures come to life you'll see. So let's sing and dance, and together we'll find a world of wonder, one letter at a time. Nightingale sings at night. Sing, sing, sing. Nightingale sings at night. Sing, sing, sing. Nightingale sings at night. Sing, 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 sing. Dancing through the alphabet, oh so sweet. With each new letter our hearts will beat. From A to Z we'll twirl and sway in this joyful dance. We'll learn and play. Noble horses gallop free, neigh, neigh, neigh. Noble horses gallop free, neigh, neigh, neigh. Noble horses gallop free, neigh, neigh, neigh. From A to Z, we've had so much fun, exploring the world, one by one, with animals, nature and sky so blue. In this playful journey, we thank you, thank you, thank you. Is an enchanting journey where letters and creatures come to life you'll see. So let's sing and dance, and together we'll find a world of wonder, one letter at a time. Nightingale sings at night. Sing, sing, sing. Nightingale sings at night. Sing, sing, sing. Nightingale sings at night. Sing, 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 sing. Dancing through the alphabet, oh so sweet. With each new letter our hearts will beat. From A to Z we'll twirl and sway in this joyful dance. We'll learn and play. Noble horses gallop free, neigh, neigh, neigh. Noble horses gallop free, neigh, neigh, neigh. Noble horses gallop free, neigh, neigh, neigh. From A to Z, we've had so much fun, exploring the world, one by one, with animals, nature and sky so blue. In this playful journey, we thank you, thank you, thank you.
They all sing the nursery rhyme together, the farmhouse echoing with the delightful sounds. Dodong, smiling. Rio, you're a quick learner. Thanks for bringing us all together for this enjoyable learning adventure today. Squawk. Thank you, Dodong. Squawk. Rio loves learning with friends in the farmhouse. They continue to sing, learn, and enjoy the cozy atmosphere of the beautiful farmhouse, with Kibble, the dog with a very short tail, wagging happily by their side.